The vital connection. Vehicle maintenance. Safe driving, and your driver's license. Part 1. In this video, we'll explore the crucial link between vehicle maintenance, safe driving practices, and keeping your driver's license in good standing. Introduction to vehicle maintenance. Vehicle maintenance refers to a series of regular tasks and checks that are performed to keep a vehicle in good working condition. It encompasses a wide range of activities aimed at ensuring the vehicle's longevity and safety on the road. Proper vehicle maintenance is essential for several reasons, including safety, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Here's a breakdown of what vehicle maintenance entails and why it matters. A. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Clean oil reduces friction and prevents engine wear. Neglecting oil changes can lead to engine damage and reduced fuel efficiency. B. Fluid checks. Vehicles have various fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. These fluids need to be checked and topped off regularly to maintain proper vehicle function. Low or dirty fluids can lead to overheating, transmission problems, and brake failure. C. Tire maintenance. Proper tire maintenance involves checking tire pressure, rotating tires, and inspecting for damage or wear. Well-maintained tires provide good traction, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure safe handling. D. Brake inspection. Regular brake inspections and maintenance are essential for safe driving. Worn brake pads, rotors, or brake fluid leaks can compromise your ability to stop quickly and safely. E. Battery checks. The battery should be inspected for corrosion and tested for performance regularly. A failing battery can leave you stranded and disrupt the vehicle's electrical system. F. Air filter replacement. The air filter prevents dust and debris from entering the engine. A clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency and engine performance. G. Alignment and suspension. Proper wheel alignment and suspension maintenance ensure stable handling and even tire wear. Misaligned wheels can lead to poor steering control and reduced tire life. H. Exhaust system maintenance. A well-maintained exhaust system reduces harmful emissions and ensures the vehicle runs efficiently. Exhaust leaks can lead to poor fuel economy and environmental pollution. I. Check engine light. If the check engine light comes on, it's important to diagnose and address the issue promptly. Ignoring it can lead to more serious and expensive problems. J. Safety systems. Ensure that all safety systems, such as airbags, seat belts, and lights, are in good working order. These systems are critical for your safety in the event of an accident. K. Regular inspections. Periodic inspections by a qualified mechanic can uncover potential problems before they become major issues. This can save you money and prevent breakdowns. Why vehicle maintenance matters. A. Safety. Properly maintained vehicles are less likely to experience sudden breakdowns or failures, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries on the road. B. Reliability. Regular maintenance helps ensure that your vehicle operates reliably, and doesn't leave you stranded in inconvenient or unsafe situations. C. Longevity. Vehicles that receive consistent maintenance tend to have longer lifespans. This saves you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent vehicle replacements. D. Fuel efficiency. Well-maintained vehicles typically achieve better fuel efficiency, saving you money at the gas pump. E. Resale value. A well-maintained vehicle retains its resale value better than one with a history of neglect. This can be important if you decide to sell or trade in your vehicle. F. Environmental impact. Proper vehicle maintenance helps reduce emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. In summary, vehicle maintenance is essential not only for your vehicle's longevity but also for your safety on the road. Regular maintenance checks and timely repairs prevent accidents, ensure reliable transportation, and save you money in the long term. It's a responsible and necessary aspect of vehicle ownership that should not be overlooked. 2. Safety implications. Well-maintained vehicles play a crucial role in enhancing road safety by reducing the risk of breakdowns and accidents. Here's how proper vehicle maintenance contributes to safety on the road. A. Reduced breakdowns. Regular maintenance involves inspecting and addressing potential issues before they become major problems. This proactive approach helps identify and rectify issues with critical components like the engine, brakes, and tires. As a result, well-maintained vehicles are less likely to suffer unexpected breakdowns, which can be dangerous, especially on highways or in heavy traffic. A sudden breakdown can lead to accidents, cause traffic congestion, and put the driver and passengers at risk. B. Brake system reliability. Brake system maintenance is vital for safe driving. Worn brake pads, damaged rotors, or brake fluid leaks can compromise a vehicle's ability to stop effectively. In emergencies or when navigating hazardous road conditions, having a well-maintained brake system is essential to avoid collisions. C. Tire safety. Proper tire maintenance, including regular inspections, tire rotations, and maintaining the correct tire pressure, ensures that tires have optimal traction and grip on the road. This is particularly important during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow, as well as when driving on slippery or uneven surfaces. Well-maintained tires reduce the risk of skidding, hydroplaning, and losing control of the vehicle. D. Steering and suspension. Adequate maintenance of the steering and suspension systems ensures stable handling and proper alignment. Misaligned wheels or worn-out suspension components can make a vehicle difficult to control, leading to swerving, veering, or loss of control, especially in emergency maneuvers. E. Engine performance. A well-maintained engine operates efficiently and reliably. A malfunctioning engine can lead to sudden stalls or a loss of power, making it challenging to navigate traffic safely. Regular maintenance helps prevent engine issues that can result in accidents. F. Safety systems. Vehicle safety systems, such as airbags, seat belts, and lights, rely on proper maintenance to function effectively during a collision or emergency. Failing to maintain these safety features can compromise their ability to protect occupants in the event of an accident. G. Electrical systems. A well-maintained electrical system ensures that essential components like headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and hazard lights work correctly. Proper lighting is critical for visibility, especially in low light conditions or bad weather, reducing the risk of collisions. H. Environmental impact. Regular vehicle maintenance also contributes to a cleaner environment by reducing emissions. This is not only good for air quality but can also improve road safety by enhancing visibility in smoggy or foggy conditions. In summary, well-maintained vehicles are less likely to experience breakdowns or accidents, ultimately reducing the risk of harm to both the vehicle occupants and others on the road. Proper vehicle maintenance is a proactive and responsible way to promote road safety, minimize accidents, and protect lives. Neglecting maintenance not only increases the risk of accidents but can also result in costly repairs and legal consequences in the event of an accident caused by a vehicle in poor condition. 3. Legal requirements. Vehicle owners are generally legally obligated to keep their cars in roadworthy condition to ensure the safety of themselves and others on the road. These legal requirements can vary from one jurisdiction to another, but there are common elements that are typically enforced. A. Vehicle inspections. Many regions require periodic vehicle inspections to assess a vehicle's roadworthiness. These inspections often cover critical safety components like brakes, lights, tires, steering, suspension, and emissions. Failing a vehicle inspection may result in a temporary or permanent suspension of your vehicle registration, making it illegal to drive the vehicle until necessary repairs are made. B. Registration and insurance. In most places, vehicles must be properly registered and insured to be legally operated on public roads. To obtain and maintain registration and insurance, your vehicle must meet certain safety and emission. Driving without valid registration and insurance can lead to fines, license suspension, and legal penalties. C. Driver's license status. Maintaining a valid driver's license is contingent on adhering to road safety laws, which includes keeping your vehicle in a safe and roadworthy condition. Repeated traffic violations, involvement in accidents due to vehicle defects, or driving a vehicle that doesn't meet safety standards can result in the suspension or revocation of your driver's license. D. Safety equipment. Many jurisdictions mandate the use of specific safety equipment, such as seat belts, child safety seats, and helmets for motorcyclists. Failing to use these safety devices can result in fines, penalties, or even license suspension. E. Emissions standards. In areas with strict emissions regulations, vehicles must meet certain emissions standards. If your vehicle fails an emissions test and you don't rectify the issue, you may face legal consequences, including limitations on vehicle use. F. Recalls and safety recalls. If your vehicle is subject to a safety recall, it's generally your legal responsibility to have the necessary repairs or replacements performed promptly. Ignoring safety recalls can result in accidents, legal liability, and damage to your driving record. G. Vehicle modifications. Modifying your vehicle in ways that violate safety regulations or emission standards can lead to legal issues. Before making significant modifications, you should check with local authorities or consult relevant laws to ensure compliance. H. Traffic violations due to vehicle condition. If you are pulled over for a traffic violation, and the violation is related to your vehicle's condition, for example, a broken tail light, you may be issued a citation. Repeated violations of this nature can negatively impact your driving record and may lead to license suspension or higher insurance premiums. It's essential for vehicle owners to understand and adhere to the specific legal requirements in their jurisdiction regarding vehicle maintenance and safety. Failure to do so can result in fines, penalties, the suspension of your driver's license, increased insurance costs, and even criminal charges in severe cases. Additionally, driving a poorly maintained vehicle increases the risk of accidents, which can have legal and financial consequences. Regular vehicle maintenance not only helps ensure road safety but also helps you comply with the law and maintain your driving privileges.